What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. It's Hot Box 237. The one and only chubby princess, the girl where they give una just the vibes. Wanna why all my Congosa put on put up una show some love for under comment section. If you be Congosa person, put ya up. If I don't see more than 300 likes for this video, I know you no Congosa again because I say my people I say I don't be busy all the time around. I don't be busy. Every my messenger every check them. Every messenger I say what? I say okay, maybe I really relax and I see me so I didn't have to work. So I say maybe I even relax. I do this thing, I look my messenger because it don't overstay with me. I check messenger because I get like my small drone the way they pass for back. They give me small Congosa for messenger them. Now I see me I look am Congosa bia enter me. I just look at Congosa. He talk about t-shirts. I don't know how true this story be, but now Congosa I say it don't be for my table. But now I discover the Congosa. I see him. The person don't write me. Now I see the Congosa. I don't understand. The person write me like this now yesterday or 2 days ago. I don't understand it. I'll go back and look am concerning t-shirt. Now I start write the person at the morning time and they tell you say, hey, wait with t-shirt for bed. They know the Tibet bed be do pass. So the Tibet bed be do pass. I say he say yes the bed be do pass bed. He will give me an update. So missj be there live show. I say hey, I don't maybe follow missj show. I go now for Villa Mama my place. I go follow. Go to you never watch missj show. Go watch our Villa Mama. Now I watch the show at the year. missj don't make up to how many minutes for show. I don't even understand what he come live, but tell me my journalist explains something concerning me now that missj show. I relate the thing now for the 2 I hear I said there must something fishy for the inside the missj palava money. When I don't say I don't always be quiet and never talk a lot because I like to get my information, my fact may be right. You understand no? But I enter that Congo, somebody my drone give me my people. When I like the video, when I share them, when I can support Hotbox, I be Maryland next week anytime. I dey for Maryland. When I buy when I waterfu wash I don't enter so songo. And I hear for Congo, I come for you wait. When I buy on waterfu, when I buy on chocolate, rosa butter, calabar, kuta fish, strong kanda, ushwanta pamplemousse, origin, music. Understand them, ma'am. Now support them. I name all the things they so. I was some person people they talk say Hotbox. I yes they don't make license. They give license for Mimbo. When I go frighten that small, my way right that here, mommy bombo, idiot. You know what you overtook door. Obviously you get other people so you get sense. So you do very badly. You foolish. You be idiot. It be very easy for hide for fake people for like say what correct person or what talk bombo clack for person. I will caution that say can't talk more. They can tell me say small picky like me way at the coach person. Constant, you know how the coach person because I'm small picking. You know say that people like used to get to coach people. You don't know. We easily come back tomorrow. Can apologize. We do this thing. We are picking the work and say, well, we do the kind thing for social media. I tell my picking my youthful age. You talk so with you talk so with they ask say why if tomorrow say a relative ask say wait till you do that kind of yeah you don't also the way you go home or tap piece on a wait they'll ask you talk say why you be the coach for media. When because you be now you all pass me be old person. If they ask you now say why you be the coach, me I feel the coach now because I be small picking I be see the 20s. I said for my 20s. You don't know. I feel see the coach. By the time I reach 40 years, my sense go don't reactivate because they say life begin at 40. At least when bad work, I'm going to send them at far. That I don't know say to how they do on a bat, but now I don't know me to how they do on a bat on a good thing. You know say now go now boy man they talk say picking you be max on 18 years. You know so. Me I be see small picking if I work coach or back up to with the coach. I be the clean community. Now community are the clean. If I not clean community, you forget people can start open the bong. You shall look at the constant. Say, you tell me I don't know una family, I don't know una family, no nothing. No, that didn't say me you constant. You tell you do give me reference water full washer. Say water full washer. You hear Hotbox no? You know our family. No, you don't tell you no. Today they ask me say I will be part of una family. I be part of that family. Oh, you know be that family member. Then you got to follow my hypocrisy. I be part of una family. So if I would bring information concerning water full washer that time, so you can clap the support. You say thumbs up. Then now you can ask since I be part of a family. Like, which kind of trouble this my people? Cause I beg, just remember for day. I don't joke answer it. I get things they will talk today concerning Mommy Canopy and you. My people, constant talk about money where they be contributor for White Lion. That money where we can't talk say come on, open bomboma come on water, open last mark come on water. So constant don't come out now. He say one mommy constant must bring that money. Grand as a little bash on constant. They caution talk a lot of things them. I be get thumbs up for constant the time because they stop for put cross or picking. I be support constant. I be support the idea where we bring about at that time. Where grand they see bash on constant and we will be so wrong during that period. So you know something I be mad if I see true and talk am. If you want me like so or you as I demi. You have ex with me, you go jam everyone and go. You see me so. He didn't say you don't know this street. I don't know the game for this street. I don't know. I didn't put feelings for street oh. I didn't put some kind of feelings like if I see content that Dutch because they be my friend. No, I didn't pee you talk as today. He didn't say I don't know for this street. That is the same way if I see me be wrong like after I talk of blim blank when I will still talk am again today. If I say do wrong for this part, I'll tell you that say my friend I don't talk. I'll talk am. That's what this street day. As long as it be grander. You know for this street at the talk at the spiller out for your bumbo, it is crazy. Because even now we know for the clinic commission, not for the zeng so. Not for the zeng so. Now get to the tongue with the clap for you. We make an open the eyes so they get both put a go start for debunk the Tibet now. So you understand? So cause I don't come now the ask and say, may they pay money for where Mommy Canopy be contribute to Mommy Canopy. That was a community money. Some people they start coach constant say do it the coach Shima can't for answer on. This put I say constant why you go ask you don't get no right for ask that money for Mommy Canopy. I can't forget to say constant get right for Axam and constant no get right for Axam. I will start to the point to talk say constant get right for Axam. You understand? Because when I don't say why if constant tell us something, this very part of money for Mommy Canopy. Now see White Lion. The worker talk about the money. White Lion they complain about the money. White Lion they complain. White Lion they complain about the money. And I give Congo for back until you see I give your constant the table. Because White Lion they talk about the money, so Mommy Canopy no give money. You understand? No give the exact money where they give. Mommy Canopy give a small change. So constant talks okay, so this mommy where they can claim righteousness for this social media. Where we don't stand coach mommy be say tiffy money. Then he go they condemn mommy where they do the same thing. No. So he come for that point of the community say why the community they so why who the point man see the person a bad person. Then he do the same thing. So the other constant talks okay, you claim Mommy Canopy say you over no work, you over good pass, you overdo you be righteous. Why you thief my small picking in money? So constant get right for that part for clear the mind for community oh the mommy don't scam una to a behind the talk. Now that the truth in. So una clap for a behind them. For me say they talk to mommy a scammer. Una they deny not thief mommy we thief since 1993. Now that's what secondary evidence on social media. It thief since 1993. You dey for a record. You understand? So constant be get right for do it him. For bring am because the money na community money and constant a community. Constant a community. Now when I get right for ask the money. You understand? But that's because you be consuming the money. You know, because that the thing that make I spoil una grander scam. You understand? Now it's make you spoil una grander scam because of waiting. Una the kungusana for back and the people they can kungusana for meet up hot box. So because now the kungusana I say no Mommy Canopy ask me you get small problem. I must bring up as because constantly indirect revenge. So Mommy Canopy do it him. He kungusana some private service to for group. He go talk for a family. He bring problem for their family. You understand no? So constantly indirect revenge from Mommy Canopy back say why you go to break away they look me bad, you paint me black, then you do it. You can't claim for front camera say you be a righteous person. First start for the point for bring that money for community before you start to say you be a righteous person. So constant for me for that part, it is revenge and it get right for certain point them. And we look again for the thing for corner, we look again, we turn again, papu eye. It is just a crazy money to be inside that money for contribution. And Mommy Canopy don't chop crazy money plenty. And constant when he claims to be crazy mommy or whatsoever. Constant get right for vex say he chop a money to because he no give all the money to for White Lion. You don't understand? So now see a reason why we constant do it. He get right for ask that money for community. Me they bring Mommy Canopy bring that money. He get right. Go for the point you no get right. Constant you no get no right. You understand? You don't get no right to ask that money because you are one franc no day. If for contribute some big money, your own personal money, your head and money, your heart and money, you don't have that money we contribute them. So you don't get no right for ask about accountability for that money. I don't know why I never tell you. See, why I don't tell you, never tell you say you no give money. But you na Congo we pass back. You know if you verify for the white lion, you can't stand the claim that say money. Mommy cannot no give all the money. I want ask you this concept. Not that see you because call for the Tibet platform. You talk say may they cover the tea on top the tea. Mommy cannot be na one of una camp. You understand? You see me they cover this. Why you no cover mommy cannot be on dirty? Why you no cover mommy cannot be on dirty? Because during that period for water for washer and the Tibet for concerning you, Chris, other kinds to be up for social media all day for year. You because say may they cover the tea on top the tea because we concern the Tibet them. You understand? If you concern the Tibet them, may they cover you. The question that's already you fear the Tibet or you don't fear the Tibet. Why you no cover for mommy canopy? Why you cover the Tibet their own and constant at water for washer? Why? Because water for washer disrespect you and because say you fear the Tibet. But I still know against most of the I don't know what I use, I fear, or fear because you are the Tibet also not the plan. Because after that the Tibet show, the Tibet call you for back again. After that show, do water for washer, the Tibet be call you for back. You go now after the Tibet call you pass again for back, go call another person, the Tibet will apologize for you. Because I didn't lie, you know I didn't lie, I thought about true. For this shit I just talk as the happen. I don't know for just mix to them. I don't know for just confused now. No, I didn't talk. Because after you because you call that the Tibet, you show that I say, may they cover the tea on top dirty. You be called the Tibet for back. You and the Tibet will not talk. After you end for the Tibet, you call another person. You say the Tibet will apologize. How far? So you I want ask the thing what I say you press Mami Canopy because you want revenge Mami Canopy. Why Mami Canopy now? Wait now Mami Canopy not for una cam. Then you know one cover the tea on top the tea. How far? How far you know one cover the tea on top the tea? When Mami Canopy not for una cam. Mommy cannot do more things with the Tibet do worse things. The Tibet will stand for a national television. It costs you how you be barren. It humiliate you, insult you. You know fit to talk. Mommy cannot be just Congo na small Congo oh. When I for back for front camera. Mommy cannot be do that for public oh. You do that for private. You do that for private. Now you bring her for public. You don't understand. You turn out the die. Mommy cannot be back to give accountability for money contributor for why lie you picking. But what I can say, why Lord, you don't get mommy? You don't get mommy. Now you want this for Italy. But that's all that you call yourself fine girl. You wear human hair. You go show white back on the shoulder. I say I call a white back with the glad. You go show your back for they turn your buttock the teeth for that in them. You say I'm white lion. I don't tell you that say any married team that money may bring them more. May bring them because I go tell the married team that money. Papa God, the Tibet is so too publicly constant. You know, come for that to say you work a revenge or you work a die for a back. You know, come for the Tibet. You go to make a insult me talking for back for you. Why you no caution for back? You bring our front camera content. So shopping just treating for all man. Okay, but people, I say, before I enter Congo, so we bring concerning t-shirt because we have missj life, be day life, bling bangs. And in my class that wahala don't boss again for social media. Now this will be started with bring back because apologize for behave them. Who just say, hey, in my class not bad person. In my class don't prepare, don't heal. You don't kind of answer. If friend when a bling bangs. For instead that you can answer bling bang, or yes say Kongosa. Say how way bling bangs rent them for how way they make that engagement so now bling bang we go decorate that hall. Then the producer say, he go decorate the hall. Then he say, what is happening here? He got decorated though. That means he knows how he put flower, he knows how he put light, and he knows how the man go need down. He knows how put the ghost. He don't put all the things them how it go be, go take place, go be MC for back. Then for the moment we enter now, you know show no sign of surprise. You know show no nothing. If you don't know it, you know you try over for. Not so they surprise man. Person say you fake cry safe. Person say yeah. But I say it's not my birthday. Now he put that flower. Now he do that deco. We put that flower. They put hat for day. Now he put the flower. Now he do all things for day. Then now he buy the clothes for the man. That's why the year. The man don't ask me. Man no come for me a beg. And yeah, yeah. They say now he put the thing now. Then he enter now for day. Now he friend in my class cap out today say he the blimba me the insult say he wear He wear Chinese clothes. Why you wear the Chinese clothes for that engagement? Then the guy cut to na blue. In my class, my idiot, I beg. Hey, the man he cut to na blue. You know, mash. That means they say you got to take time to dissect the engagement. So in my class, don't take blimbangs, you know. You don't prepare for answer blimbangs now. A lot of things they be play in my class. You never watch and go for in my class. A video, you go watch and follow up the Kongosa way it play for day. In my class, don't be prepared for answer the blimbangs. A lot of things the way he talk and if he talks to blimbang say he jealous. In my class is jealousy. Say open his store. In my class no. Open in my class to say who store? No store no day. So gather them. That's me I talk. Not me, not come for me. I just not in my class talker. Say don't do a small investigation. No store no day. And if do investigation, it should say that blimbang will decorate that hall for engagement. And blimbang we don't want to talk sometime. And remember, I'll go find that video. Blimbang don't talk sometimes. Say sometimes something go be for social media. Where you go bring them, send them for positive bloggers them. May they post them. Say something happen for back. That means they're doing the preparation for the engagement. Where we don't forget talk say. He don't married. Every day in my club, he don't talk say he friend or married. My people, my enter just use 2 minutes now round up. My people, Miss J, he be there live show. Smoke ungusa me told me why I go investigate for my messenger and I say waiting. You know say Miss J be change bar. Remember that I told us sometimes Miss J go she know for bar. He talk about he talk about when I wait see, but I don't forget the things because no ungusa it so I talk I forget. You understand? Except I go back go wash up. So that this time around it changed bar. So I thought maybe I just work for all people they had them for situation they think I'm concerning the thief money issue. I ain't papa me that. As soon as I die for the Miss J hat. Miss J wash me chela. Miss J Miss J no. The plus strategy na say una mark this thing. That strategy na say Miss J will never come out except say you don't reach it for a year. For cat talk about some kind thing them hit hard on Shella. It is just throw it called me Shella can't hit it. Miss J, the user on a cash cruise. He will make 10 episodes for the thief money issue will come to the tell and say thief money he can talk to a different thing, live on our suspend. Thief money he can talk different thing for user make views because you no get content. Una no get sense. Ma the enlightened na una know. So Miss J the vex truly with the Tibet. Truly the vex. But Miss J you no get that liver. It always stay on us. It always stay on us. It always be a lawyer friend. You understand? So if you come out now for can talk some certain things there for cover up. But my give some smoke clue Miss J. At the years ago, so there are money being for it's envelope them. Where you rabam, you put your back under some place. I don't know how true it be. I don't know. I join us the description. I will get a full file. If I get don't allow you want me to Italy. A lot of people they Italy and they talk now. If you read if me tell me when my John go give me, I go just I got talk at one time. But can use for the cash your cruise or media. They brings the episode 1, episode 2. We know that episode. Why don't you hear the team just finish done and dusted? Come over go almost create content because we have prolonged it for about money. Then at the end of the day, after Miss J is show, the team bed not wait. He come now. He call some person. I don't know me the person. I don't know how true this story be. He want for about shirt. Say he call some person because you know say don't have life for front camera lie when I say na he money loss na he money for picking the birthday he call them he lost he shed the loss so you know you can lie when so you know he after Miss J issue I yes he call some person he tell the person say he beg the mommy and mommy he beg the person say make the person can own up say so him thing be lost or him money be lost for the shirt where you know, maybe take grand at them before Miss J money took a loss. So many mommy accepting that 2 money they be lost or 2 things they be lost. But my drone they tell me say they shed the tricot they be make them for that Wakunsi birthday. You know, be reach up to 20. You know, if you reach up to 20, oh, calculate say one na $3 or print them or one na $5 or printer. 20 then 20 na how much? The money when the people cry for them, you know, if you reach up to the amount. So the people that they find some way for cover the life because if fan they look up to you, say how you can stand like that guy like say the money for it in the loss, so you know not to rather not be lost. So the concern me say the people that they for back. He try to arrange your person, may they do it, may they can cover you that shame. But I want to tell you the thing better. So if only this story not true, if only not true, I beg because I don't know how accurate. Because also when I get my drone them, when some story they come for some drone, I'm not doing 100%. When they come for all, I try to investigate them. You understand? So I don't know how accurate the story be, but if not true, so the tribe can use this cover, and I'll advise you, so better stay you quiet, because the more you better stay you quiet. Why? Because you don't need this story also, so man, so you don't reach hot box. That means the person where you story that thing for you, if there was some person for corner or you don't talk to other person, where one day when even a grand I don't story about different person, where the other grand don't betray una. So one day go stick a leak for media. If not me you the Tibet, no fight any man for debunk you, leave and me be quiet. No fight any man. I say they no get content. What create content that for bring another cat debunk me, go debunk me, you carry the shame continuously. Because while I online they plenty, the way you say be creek, she say the way we war be like so oh mommy tandong them. Say come on and show all thing. So that get my John tell me say they shed to go make up, you know, we reach 20, so the Tibet one 5 minutes for cover the team I can't talk them one time. So at the camera for tell they say you be tossing like money dollars. You can't debunk the Tibet. Not that the Tibet money dollar. A lot of things in that way you get for people that mind and now for granted that mind they say, but why the Tibet can't lie them? Say in money loss way in over loss. So the Tibet they fight another strategy for come now for talk say it money be lost for it be 30 mommy, but in what I mean mommy 30 different people them. My people now the story that the concern ready for me told me. I don't know what I understand. After missj live show. The Tibet the plan for talk because missj can talk for a live show say na money loss. He give a lot of thought for granted. So the Tibet na the shame say he be not can stand for front camera talk saying na picking the chico all loss. But still granted the Tibet will call for back na the tell the same. So mommy say me they cover up for you back say me they cover the mess for you because mommy over like the Tibet on a who. So me they cover up say na he picking the chico be money be lost. He no be talk about them because what I mean the occasion spoil. Me no be say me Ghana they look bad for you. But still they Ghana they can leak the story again for hot box. You understand? All the complication for this matter they so hot box to really find investigation, really investigate it in. You understand? So any man wait if anything concerning money, I bet bring the money back because wait it cost problem for social media. Or if you ever bring the money back, you can give hot box the own share. You understand? So when hot box no tell you because you know say for progressive becoming a ball of woman no. I've been a ball of woman for progressive. Ask late man. Ball of woman. missj now they go insult the Tibet for back seriously, but you know if you can stand for front camera. It's a better make the caution for back finish up. Now when you see white lion never come out for do it, for can't debunk all those things them. While on they will call upon call, they join call upon call upon call. For do it for try to press down some situation there. For every Sonny Eric said though if you call white lion the story back if I did just talk because na Kukusa way me told me. You understand? So while they keep postponing his show for no way to way, it did for the mind as time they go, you know how to convince the population. And so white lion they try for do. You know understand no? Yes, my people. So now the small bracket that way. I say me I can deliver for now before it sleepy cool. I don't want me so kind sleeping and sour kongosa. If you never yet subscribe to my channel, I bet on subscribe. Go for corner so you see that red this so no. You don't click pap subscribe. You press all notification. Also pap you press them. Anytime I'll drop video, you'll be the first person for doing for CD this thing. Don't forget for order your this thing, your cooked fish, everything order for hot box. At the be Maryland no time soon. And that bad one I can change. So I for order bad demo. I did for all that bad on I can change them. All the after party bad them. I did for day. How far? Yes, my peoples. This is Hotbox 237. Always live from the US.